Hey guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I wanted to create this video to share with you 10 stocks that I think can have significant bullish runs in the coming days, weeks, and months for all of you day traders, swing traders, and long-term investors. I'll share with you my insights. Let's get started. So ticker number one I wanted to share with you is Santo Mining, ticker SANP. Today, the share price hovered up all the way up to about 100% in positive proceeds gains. In fact, during the trading, it actually went up to about 135%. Towards the end of the day, it capped off at 100% gains. What's causing the roar in the share price? Well, the sun has shined on to Santo Mining, and given the fact that there has been news about how it is getting into the NFT space as well as with its cryptocurrency potential, there's room for growth with Santo Mining, a hidden gem company that has developers in Central East Asia, and that's in Vietnam with software developers. I definitely think in the coming days, tomorrow's time frame as well as in Friday, we may potentially see the share price hover back up to its prior resistance. I mean, this share price actually went above the 2 cents range. It went back to the 003s, and now we're beginning to see traction again. So let's say if you are a short-term day trader or swing trader, there's definitely room for growth with Santo Mining, as well as potentially being a long-term holder with this company. Next company I wanted to share with you is ticker TKAT, Takung. Now, I definitely think that this company, in terms of its share price, there's potential with this type of company, given the fact that it's in the NFT space, and there's huge upside because it's now getting involved with the metaverse, launching its own NFT service. And we know that previously this ticker went above the double-digit share price range, above the $15 range, where it currently is right now at the $4 or $5 range. I definitely think that in 2022, you're looking at potentially 1-2x at a minimum. So definitely gaining value today. It ran all the way up to 33%. So congratulations to those who've actually held on to or actually got involved with TKAT. So there's definitely more room for growth because in the prior months, it's been just on a downward trajectory. However, we're beginning to see uproars with these micro cap, small cap companies. Next company I wanted to share with you is NAKD brand, ticker NAKD. I mean, there's news about after a recent reverse split, there's been just a downward trajectory. I mean, through 5 days of trading, it's been going down. However, today there's just room for growth where it shot up by about 16% in positive proceeds. So from my perspective, there's a gapper potential here. Let's say if you are a day or a swing trader, you can definitely buy the dip. I mean, it previously was at $24, where it currently is at $5. We can see potential of $12 in the near term from my perspective, and that's NAKD. Next company I wanted to share with you is Ocugen in the biotech space, ticker Ocgn. This company is known for its infamous product called Covaxin. I mean, now it's currently at the low point, but I definitely think that with Ocgn, with the current share price, it's really undervalued. Back in November, it was at $15. In fact, how many times did it reach $15? Well, at a minimum, it hit that price 3 times throughout 2021. And I definitely think, given the fact that it has a yo-yo type of performance, this is the type of play that you can actually capitalize by making money if you set an exit strategy. Let's say if you get in now, and if you set your target at $15, you get a 2x gain on your investment play. So that's one valuable play that I would suggest looking into, given that biotech has just been on a downward trajectory, but that won't last for long. Next company I wanted to talk to you about is Galatic, ticker SPCE. I mean, definitely from a technical standpoint, it's at a discounted price right now. set at $13, I would say just buy the dip and just let it rip. I mean, you buy low, you sell high. I mean, what's key is you know what to buy, and I think Virgin Galactic isn't going away. When to buy, you're buying at the low point right now, and when to sell, you sell when it reaches its prior resistance. So it was previously at like the $50, $60 range, and where you get it now at $13, definitely at a discounted rate. So that's my key takeaway with Virgin Galactic. Next company I wanted to talk about is a biotech company, and that's Skye Bioscience. Currently at the share price at close to 5-6 cents. I mean, back in June of this year, it ran all the way up to 26 cents without any type of information. While we know that OTC has been taking a hit, I firmly believe that Skye Bioscience has the potential and room for growth heading into 2022 with neuroprotection data on its glaucoma-based drug treatment therapy going to be available in the coming weeks, as well as getting started with phase 1 and 2 clinical trials in the later half of 2022. That's going to be huge milestones, and for those reasons, there's no reason for it not to reach its prior resistance. So at a minimum, in terms of forecasting, I think that Skye Bioscience share price will reach at a minimum 11 cents by February of 2022. Next company I wanted to talk about is Sundial Growers, ticker SNDL. Why do I like this so much? Well, we know that the cannabis sector is going to take its momentum course, and while traction begins to build, we see SNDL at a very low point, at a 52-week low, and with its current share price at 56 cents, I believe that it will have its run again, and it previously ran in the early year of 2021 all the way up to like $3. So you're definitely getting this at a discount. You buy low, you sell high. Whether you are a swing trader or a long-term investor, SNDL will add value in the long run from my forecasting. Next ticker I wanted to share with you is Dark Post, ticker DPLS. I mean, it's so undervalued at this time at 6 cents. I mean, it previously was at 20 cents and it now is at 6 cents. You're getting at a huge discount. This company is in the technology and innovation space with so much proprietary technology that's patented. And from my perspective, I definitely think it's undervalued and it has so much room for growth. In fact, the share price went up by about 21% today, and I definitely think that in the coming days and weeks, we shall see it bull run back up into the double-digit range when it comes to above the 10 cents threshold. So that's one other hot play that I would continue to monitor and consider investing. Next company I wanted to talk about is Dvac, DVAK. This company is known for its COVID vaccine. I mean, they just got the okay from the Indian Health Authority for its CP6-1018 drug product. I definitely think that the current share price at $15 is undervalued. You buy the dip. It previously was above the $20 threshold. We head into 2022. We shall see the share price reach the $25 range for my forecasting, and just based on fundamental analysis and its differentiated technology. That's my key takeaway with DVAK, so keep an eye on that one. Last company I wanted to talk about is IBIO. This is a biotech company based out in Plano, Texas, while it's working its way into San Diego as well. With the current share price at 55 cents, there's huge upside. I know that I've been talking about IBIO in many videos. However, with the current share price, this has so much huge upside, and once IBIO, along with other biotechnology companies, starts gaining traction, we shall see it catapult. And that's why I definitely think that in 2022, we shall see the share price start appreciating. And I know that it's been on a downward trajectory. However, it's great to dollar cost average down, because we shall see it start adding value for long-term shareholders. And let's say if you're new to investing, this is definitely a steal at this time from my perspective. So overall, these are the companies I wanted to share with you. I hope it was valuable. Please make sure to hit the like and subscribe for more related content if you enjoyed this. Thank you. Have a good night. Goodbye.